Everybody, welcome to this video from PKF Smith Cooper Systems on how to use enhanced list views in Sage Intacct. My name is Harris and I'll be taking you through the enhanced list views today. First of all, log into your Sage Intacct system and navigate to any page where the old list view is still present. If you can still see this old list view, you'll notice that on the top right hand side there is a button for Turn on Enhanced List. Switching on this list view will change the user interface to become more interactive. Once you've got your list view switched on, you will notice that the columns look a lot more interactive. From here, you can do a few different things. You can expand columns. You can freeze columns by clicking on the settings and clicking freeze. This will allow the column to stay consistent when you're looking at other columns. You can also wrap columns. If at any point you want to start again, you can just go ahead and click Revert Changes, and that will take everything back to how it was before. Like on old columns, you can click on the header, title, and sort the columns by ascending or descending. You can search for specific values by typing in the column headers. And you can filter on statuses and total dues by typing in values and sorting them from ascending to descending. Once you have perfected your view, you can go ahead and click Manage Views and Save As. Give your view a name. There are also several other ways that you can filter your columns to suit. You can go to the settings corkscrew on the right hand side and click Configure Columns. This will bring up all of the available columns that are allowed on this particular object. So I can search for default currency, tick that, click Apply, and that will then pop up onto my list. Once you've got your column sorted, you can filter the data by clicking on Filters. From here, you can do things such as include entity records. You can filter the data to show active records. You can also filter on any of these available objects. So if you wanted to filter by a specific email address, you can do that in here as well. You also have split views available on this new enhanced list. Clicking on the split view button will tie your list to the left-hand side and will open the actual supplier record. You can also export the data by clicking the export button on the top right-hand side. Once you've created a library of list views, you can view them to user views, and you should be able to see a list of your views here.